Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. With you, I am Mohammad Nijamuddin. If you haven't yet watched my videos, please visit my channel, Elementary Art and Craft. Watch my videos and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw a goose with the number 2 very easily. Okay, so let's get started. At first, I'll write the number 2. Okay, so look at me very carefully. I have written the number 2. Now I'll turn it into a beautiful goose. So you just follow my strategy and then you will try to draw. Okay, here is water. The goose is swimming in the water. Okay, just in the easiest way I have drawn this picture so that you can follow and draw as me. So it's your turn now. Please try to draw this picture. If you watch this video again and again and follow my strategy, I hope you will be able to draw this picture. Thank you very much.